Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to English class. In the previous class, we were discussing about stories. Our second unit is based on stories. And we have heard some stories also in the previous class. The story of Vimal and his grandmother and the Aesop fable of a rich voyager. In the previous class, I have told you about the storytelling day. When is the storytelling day? This day also we were discussed in the previous class. When is the storytelling day? Yes, March 20 is the storytelling day. And what was the law of the story kingdom? The stories are meant to be told, listen and tell. So we should share the stories we heard with our friends or our younger ones. Okay? Then today we are going to take our second lesson, a poem, The Owl and the Pussycat. Stories can also be in the form of songs and poems. Like that, a poem we are going to take today. The Owl and the Pussy Cat. This is also very interesting poem. The characters of this poem are an owl and a pussy cat. Their journey is discussing in the poem. It is written by Edward Lear. He is an English artist, illustrator, author and poet. He is known mostly for his limerick. Then let's start the poem. Okay? The Owl and the Pussy Cat. The owl and the pussy cat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound knot. The owl looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely kitty, oh kitty, my love. What a beautiful kitty you are. You are. What a beautiful kitty you are. This is the journey of an owl and pussycat. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. And they have taken some honey and plenty of money with them. And they have covered the money in a 5-pound note. What are the things they have taken with them? They have taken some honey and plenty of money. The owl looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely kitty, oh kitty, my love, what a beautiful kitty you are. The owl called the cat Kitty. So, for the kitty, the owl sang a song, a beautiful song in a guitar. What was the song? Oh, lovely kitty, oh kitty, my love, what a beautiful kitty you are. You are, what a beautiful kitty you are. That was the song the owl sang for the kitty. Who is a kitty here? Cat. The owl called the cat kitty. The kitty said to the owl, "You elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tarried. But what shall we do for a ring?" They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bong tree grows. And there in a wood a piggy wig stood, with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. Then when the owl sang a song for Kitty, the kitty said to the owl, "You elegant fowl, you are very handsome. How charmingly sweet you sing. You are singing also very beautiful, very sweet. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tarried. We can marry. I love you very much. We can marry. But what shall we do for a ring? But they have no ring to exchange. What shall we do for a ring? For the ring, they sailed away, so that they went to the sea and sailed in a pea green boat. They sailed away for a year and a day. 1 year and a day. ഒരു വർഷവും ഒരു ദിവസവും they sailed away through the sea for a ring, for a wedding ring. To the land where the bong tree grows. They sailed to the land where bong tree grows. And there in a wood a piggy wig stood. At last they reached the land where the bong tree grows. And there they have seen a piggy wig stood on the wood with a ring at the end of his nose. The ring was at the end of his nose. His nose with the ring at the end of his nose. Then next one. Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling? Your ring? Said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey who lives on the hill. They dined on mince and slices of quince, which they ate with a runcible spoon, and hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon, they danced by the light of the moon. And they have, or the piggy wig, or the pig sold the ring to the owl and the pussycat. They asked the piggy to give the ring for them for 1 shilling. For 1 shilling, they have bought the ring from the pig. The next day, they have married in the presence of turkey. Then their dinner also, or they have they have given the dinner also for the animals, and they have danced in the sand. The moon, they danced by the light of the moon. At last, our owl and the pussycat married. This is a poem. Once more time, we can discuss about it. Once an owl and pussycat went to the sea in a beautiful boat, and they have taken some honey and plenty of money with them. They have wrapped the money in a 5-pound note. The owl looked at the stars and began to sing a beautiful song. praising the kitty. Who was Kitty? Yes, the owl called the cat Kitty. So the owl started to sing for praising Kitty. The kitty also praised the owl's song and told the owl that she would like to marry him. She expressed her love with him. She said him that she would like to marry him. Then they sailed for a year and a day in search of a wedding ring. They have decided to marry, but they had no wedding ring. So they sailed away. How long? A year and a day for find a wedding ring. At last, they found a pig in a wood with a ring on his nose. Where was the ring? Ring was on the nose of the pig in a wood. Piggy sold them the ring for 1 shilling. For 1 shilling, the piggy sold the ring to the owl and the pussycat. They took it and were married the next day by Turkey. In the presence of Turkey, they have married the next day. After their wedding, they dined with their friends. That means they have given dinner for their friends and danced in the moonlight because they were more happy. So they danced in the moonlight. This is the poem. Understood? Did you like it? Did you like our owl and pussycat? Their love also you like very much? Okay. Then I want to know, did you listen this poem or not? Let me ask you some questions. Are you ready to answer for that? Okay. Where did the owl and the pussycat go? Where did the owl and the pussycat go? The owl and the pussycat went to the sea. എവിടേക്കാ പോയത്? They went to the sea. Next one. What did they take with them? What did they take with them? Yes, they have taken some honey and plenty of money with them. Right? Yes. Then, how do the characters in the poem behave? How do the characters in the poem behave? As like animals or human beings? Yes, they behaved like human beings. Right? Yes. Then, what did the owl do to express his love? What did the owl do to express his love towards Kitty? He sang a beautiful song in a guitar. By the way, he expressed his love towards Kitty. Right? Correct? Yes. Then, how did the Kitty do to express her love? Yes, she praised our owl. She praised the song of owl and she expressed her love towards, she said the owl that she would like to marry him. How long did the owl and the pussycat sail? How long? Etra kalam? How long the owl and the pussycat sail? They sailed for a year and a day. They sailed for a year and a day. Right? Yes, then where did they sail to? Where did they sail to? Where did they sail to? They sailed to the land where the bong tree grows. They sailed to the land where the bong tree grows. Why? Why did they sail? Why did they sail? They sailed for a wedding ring. They sailed for a wedding ring. Can you understand? Yes. Okay. How much did they pay for the ring? How much did they pay for the ring? Tell me. Yes, they paid 1 shilling for the ring. They paid 1 shilling for the ring. Then identify the expression which suggests that the poem has a happy ending. Is the poem has a happy ending? Yes. Then identify the expression which suggests that the poem has a happy ending. That is the line, the last line. They danced in the light of moonlight. They danced by the light of moonlight. That expression shows that the poem has a happy ending. I think you understood the poem well. Yes? Okay. Then I shall show you the video of the poem. Just watch it.
The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful piggy boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped in a 5
This is a poem. Did you like it? Understood? Yes, okay. Next, before starting the poem, when we discuss about author, I have told you that Edward Lear is famous for his limericks. Do you know what is meant by limerick? He is famous for his limerick. Limerick means limerick is a funny poem with 5 lines. With the rhyme scheme A, B, B, A. Limericks means it will contain 5 lines, funny 5 lines, and with a rhyme scheme A, B, B, A. That is limerick. Okay? Read. This is a limerick. It has 5 lines. Funny 5 lines are here, and it with a rhyme scheme A, B, B, A. Okay? There was an old man on a hill who seldom, if ever, stood still. He ran up and down in his grandmother's gown, which adorned that old man on a hill. This is a funny poem. It has 5 lines. It has 5 lines and with a rhyme scheme A, B, B, A. What is the rhyme scheme here? Here, hill and still. So the rhyme A and A. Here A. Still, hill and still. Here rhyme A. Next, down and gown. Next rhyme B. Understood? In the first 2 lines, what is the rhyme here? A. Hill and still. Can you understand? In the first 2 lines, what is the rhyme here? What is the rhyme scheme here? A. Hill and still. In the next 2 lines, what is the rhyme scheme? Down and gown. B. And in the the last line or the 5th line, what is the rhyme scheme? A. Again, hill, repeated. So, the rhyme scheme is A. So, this poem has 5 funny lines and a rhyme scheme A, B, B, A. A, B, B, A. This is a rhyme scheme of this poem. So, I am going to give you a work that you prepare a limerick with the rhyme scheme A, B, B, A. That is your today's work. I think you understood what is a limerick. Once more I shall tell you. Limerick is a funny poem that has 5 lines. നല്ല തമാശ നിറഞ്ഞ പോയായിരിക്കണം. വളരെ സീരിയസ് ഒന്നും ആവരുത്. വളരെ തമാശ നിറഞ്ഞ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഫണ്ണി പോയായിരിക്കണം. And with the rhyme scheme A, B, B, A. Rhyme scheme എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കണം? A, B, B, A. ഈ പറഞ്ഞ രീതിയിൽ വരുന്ന rhyme scheme ആയിരിക്കണം. Understood? That is today's work. Do it in your English notebook and send to me personally. Thank you. Up to here today's class. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.